Welcome to Best Choice. The best fishing bucket seat is probably one of the most versatile and essential pieces of gear for any angler, whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, offering a comfortable place to sit while keeping your essential fishing supplies organized and within easy reach, transforming your fishing experience from a potentially uncomfortable ordeal into a more enjoyable and productive outing, ensuring you can focus on the thrill of the catch rather than the discomfort of standing for long periods. Number 5. Boreeman Upgraded Folding Stool, Blue. Introducing the Boreeman Upgraded Folding Stool, your perfect companion for any outdoor activity. It's designed to be both lightweight and incredibly sturdy, ready for wherever life takes you. Engineered with a patented fish scale structure and reinforced materials, this stool boasts exceptional strength. It can support up to 400 pounds and offers superior stability compared to other options. Weighing just over 2.5 pounds, this portable stool is easy to carry with its adjustable strap. Take it camping, fishing, hiking, or use it anywhere you need a comfortable seat. Thanks to its precise design, you can extend and collapse this stool smoothly and easily. It opens and closes in just a few seconds, so you can relax without the weight. Customize your comfort with adjustable height settings, ranging from 2.56 to 17.72 inches. Choose from 12 different positions to suit any situation. Designed with snap joints, it stays securely closed when not in use, preventing accidental opening. This makes it even more convenient for travel and storage. We stand by the quality of our product with a 1-year warranty. If you have any questions or concerns, please reach out to us directly for a prompt resolution. What we like. This one boasts an incredibly robust fish scale structure, making it exceptionally sturdy. If you need a reliable seat that can handle significant weight and adjust to various heights for different activities, this is your go-to. It's perfect for those who value durability and versatility in their outdoor gear. What people say. Collapsing down to a mere 2.5 inches, it easily slips into my tackle bag or can be comfortably carried using the integrated nylon web handle or the handy, storable shoulder strap. Being able to adjust it to intermediate heights is a nice feature, offering flexibility beyond the standard full extension of about 17.75 inches, which is a comfortable sitting height for me. The advertised 400 pounds load capacity gives me a significant sense of security, especially when using it on a boat where balance can sometimes be a factor. Number 4. Champion Sports 6-gallon bucket with padded seat lid. This large bucket offers a generous 6-gallon capacity, perfect for storing a significant amount of balls for various sports. It's designed to hold approximately 4 dozen baseballs, 2 dozen softballs, or 8 dozen lacrosse balls. The included padded lid transforms this bucket into a comfortable seat. It's ideal for coaches needing a place to sit during practices or while waiting between innings. Transporting your gear is made easy with the sturdy metal handle. It ensures you can conveniently carry your balls from the field to your car or storage. Built with heavy-duty plastic, this bucket is made to last. It can withstand various temperatures and weather conditions, making it suitable for outdoor use or storage in your garage. This bucket is an excellent choice for a variety of ball sports. It's sturdy enough to hold balls for baseball, softball, t-ball, practice, and lacrosse. What we like. This option offers a generous 6-gallon capacity, ideal for storing a large number of balls. If you're a coach or involved in sports like baseball or lacrosse and need to transport a lot of equipment comfortably, this is the one for you. The padded lid ensures a comfortable seat during practices or games. What people say. It's large and fits a lot of baseballs in it. You can bounce a ball off the padded lid for some batting practice and it is comfortable to sit on. Bucket is strong, fits inside many of the canvas bucket caddies, and the 6 gallons allows me to store more than enough balls to have a productive practice for my players. It's a tall plastic bucket with a tight soft top lid. By keeping my gravel clean and ready to use is very helpful. It's black plastic, tall and skinny. But very strong. Number 3. Frabill Portable Aerator Bucket. For generations, anglers have trusted Frabill for their gear. We've been a reliable partner on the water since 1938. This portable bucket comes with everything you need to keep your catch fresh. It includes an aerator, air hose, and air stone for optimal performance. With a 4.25-gallon capacity, it's perfect for a day of fishing. It's powered by 2D batteries, ensuring portability wherever you go. Say goodbye to frustrating hook snags. Our innovative netting design prevents tangles, making your fishing experience smoother. The removable insulated liner offers multi-purpose use, keeping your bait or catch at the right temperature. It's tested for both saltwater and freshwater environments. What we like. This is designed specifically for anglers, featuring an included aerator to keep your catch fresh. If you're serious about fishing and want to maintain the quality of your catch, this bucket is an excellent choice. The insulated liner also offers multi-purpose use, making it a practical companion for any fishing trip. What people say. It is so much more quiet than the other brand we had used and provides so much more oxygen that it kept our shrimp alive for 2 to 3 days rather than less than 24 hours. This bucket worked perfectly to transport my tetras across the states. Kept my fish alive and well for over 4 hours. Great insulated bait well. Keeps my bait alive for over a full day, 1 to 2 days changing water. Number 2. Lewtemi 5-gallon bucket seat with swivel lid. Introducing a 2-pack of padded bucket seat cushions, designed for ultimate comfort during your outdoor adventures. The thick padding provides insulation against the cold, while the waterproof surface keeps you dry from snow and moisture. Crafted from robust PVC and reinforced plastic, these cushions are built to withstand low temperatures and resist pressure and impacts. The waterproof exterior and high-density foam filling ensure you stay comfortable and dry in any winter environment. Experience effortless movement with the 360-degree rotating design. Easily adjust your orientation for better observation while ice fishing, quickly respond to movements during hunting, or conveniently access your gear while camping. Each seat features an integrated handle, making it easy to carry even with gloves on. Quickly lift and move to your next spot on snow, ice, or slippery terrain, ensuring your mobility is never compromised. Perfect for ice fishing, waterfowl hunting, winter camping, and more. It provides a warm seat and can also be used as a lid, with the bucket inside offering storage for your essential gear and warm clothing. These are designed for anyone who loves the outdoors in winter. Use them as a comfortable seat for ice fishing, a concealed spot for hunting, a portable chair for camping, or even for watching winter sports. What we like. This product is perfect for those who brave the cold, offering a waterproof and insulated padded seat with a 360-degree swivel. If you enjoy winter activities like ice fishing or waterfowl hunting and need a comfortable, mobile seating solution, this is it. The swivel feature allows for easy observation and quick adjustments in challenging conditions. What people say. It's so nice to be able to work in the garden and take your seat with you. Comfy and sturdy. My husband is a big man, 280 pounds, and he can use them. Number 1. 5-gallon bucket seat with swivel. Introducing the 5-gallon bucket seat, your perfect companion for any outdoor activity. It offers unparalleled comfort and convenience, making your adventures more enjoyable. Designed to fit standard 5-gallon buckets, this seat comes with a convenient, dust-proof storage bag. Keep your essentials close and protected from the elements. Whether you're hunting, fishing, camping, or gardening, this seat is your go-to solution. Its portability means you can use it anywhere, anytime. Experience effortless movement with the silent 360-degree swivel. Pivot and turn with ease without disturbing your surroundings or needing to stand up. Enjoy superior comfort with the premium EVA memory foam cushion. It provides breathable, supportive comfort for extended use. We stand by our product. If you encounter any issues, please contact us for a satisfactory solution. Your comfort is our priority. What we like. This bucket seat provides exceptional comfort with its memory foam cushion and a convenient 360-degree swivel. If you're looking for a versatile seat for various activities like hunting, fishing, or gardening, and appreciate the added convenience of a storage bag, this is a great pick. It ensures a comfortable and mobile experience wherever you go. What people say. The turning feature is smooth and they snap to the bucket great. The bucket seat however held up great and the material is easy to wipe down to remove that pesky infield clay. Fits great on my gardening bucket. Just the right height to weed my flower garden. Cushion seat is much better to sit on than the hard plastic. Swivel seat is a bonus. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.